Hello friends. Previous module we have shown many videos on the modules, whatever menu items available. Today I am going to show you what sales and marketing module. This is very important module, sales and marketings, in which I will show the what are menu items available in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation module. These are the workspaces, sales order processing and inquiry, sales return processing. After that, customers, you can see all customers here. You can create new customer and you can set the workflows and recalculate credit limit. After that, relationship, under which you can see all contact, my contacts, then prospects, all prospect, my prospects, converted prospects, imported prospect list. And these are the lead, our lead, my lead, active lead, your active lead, new leads, then opportunities, all opportunities, under my opportunities, and then active, my active, new, and competitors. Then this is the marketing related menus, all campaign, my campaign, then telemarketing menus, in which you will see the all call list, my call lists, and call distribution. Sales quotation is also very important module, under which you will see all quotation, my quotation, then whatever the open quotation, expiring quotation, and sales quotation, sent quotation, and quotation update, in which cancel quotations, lose quotation, mass create, confirm, send sales quotation confirmation. And sales order is very important module for all the client and customers, because everyone is involved in sales order, sales and marketings. All sales order, under which you can create new sales, you can post, packing slip, all those functionality available. All sales orders. Then open orders, you can see here, open sales order, back order lines, hold orders, open order lines, intercompany orders, and open sales order for customer on hold. Then sales order type journal, post sales journal, order confirmation, confirm sales order confirmation. Then generate picking list. Picking list registration is also very important module. Picking list, post packing slip, bill of lading, shipping specification, packing material transaction, shipment deviation, bill of lading report. Then sales agreement is also very important module, on which you can create sales agreements, sales agreement fulfill report, then sales return. Whatever return order you need to make, you can make under all return orders. Then you can see open return order, created return order, cancelled, closed. After that, price and discount, trade agreement, yield and fine prices, customer price discount group, item discount group, then customer rebate related things, rebate group, item rebate group, then rebate update, on which you calculate rebates, cumulate, process, purge, then trade allowances agreement, templates, customer category hierarchy, then trade allowance analysis, actual cost reports, then funds, then for deduction type, then commission related menus are there, item group, sales group, commission, posting calculation, and commission. Then these are the inquiry reports, important reports I will tell you, which is deleted orders, voided sales orders, order processing, transaction logs, sales order confirmation, packing list. Then these are some reports you can check and run. And sales order related report, sales order line, then sales agreement related report, top 100, and customer item statistics turnover report. Then these are the sales analysis report, performance analysis. These are the periodic tasks, create mailing file, generate mailing, then clean up. After the setup is very important module, on which you can set the basic setups for sales and marketing parameter, marketing workflows, source type, then activities related setup, type, plan, phases, then campaign related setup, group, process, target type, Then lead related setup, lead type priority, rating, quality process, then mailing related setup, email group categories, mailing categories, and opportunity related you can get reason, prognosis, probability, sales process, and prospect related setups. After that, telemarketing related setup, reason cancelled, cases related, cases categories, and sales categories, then contact related setup, and customer related setup, customer classification group, and items list, item list generation, external item description, and upsells, cross sells, variable condition rule, then distribution, then in which terms of delivery, mode of delivery, reason of delivery, all those things are available. And price and discount related some setups, trade agreement journal name, then quotation related setup, document title, template group, conclusion, then sales agreement classification, then order pools, sales order related setup, item sales control, order hold, codes, then returns related things, setup, disposition group code, return region code group, then trade laws related setup, and statics, then event, then search. Important thing I have covered in this. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please don't forget to share and subscribe with your group. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again in next module.